Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Reza Hassan Shakil from Bangladesh. I am beginner. I am trying to speak in English, but I can't fluently English, and I also don't talk in English because I am very fear. Uh, I mistake many times, so that's why I can speak English. But I have eager to speak in English, but I cannot speak English. I don't know what is my reason. So everybody please pray for me so that I can speak English. If I can able to speak English, then it will very help me in my life and my family, and I can live in society with respect. So I want to learn English, but I cannot learn English. I always try to speak English, but I am running a student and I am right now a tuition teacher. I teach many student English. These rules, as a example, affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative, changing sentence, narration, right from verb, all it is. I know lot of vocabulary and rules, but I don't know how to speak English in fluently, and I don't know how to speak English in front of my all students. But I am trying to, but I cannot. So everybody, please give me easy way how to how can I speak English? Yeah, how can I speak English easy way? That's I can speak English easily. Everybody, please pray for me. So everybody, please comment my inbox and tell me what is the main reason I can't speak English, and tell me the easy way how can I improve my English and I can able to speak English fluently, and uh, I can share my all all feelings. I can share if I can share my feelings, my my all everything pray for me. That's why I can speak English. That is the main reason. As I live in village, so there is no environment to speak in English. There are a lot of people come here, and they are very disturb me, and I am very ashamed. I am very ashamed so that I can speak English, and I always try to speak English, but I cannot. There's many people who comes here many times. This is my first time. There's I can English speak in English around 5 minutes. Never I speak in English 5 minutes. This is my first things I speak in English. So this is my first journey around 5 minutes. Now I am sharing myself as I live in Bangladesh, and at Rangpur. I studied at a diploma in engineering, Rangpur Polytechnic Institute. I also studied at Brahmanakund High School. It's situated or located Rangpur district. So everybody, please pray for me so that I can speak English. I know a lot of word, but again and again I say that pray for me, so that I can speak English. I don't know why this word is upcoming in my mouth. I can I don't know. This is a very disturbing word for me. But I don't know how will I speak English. This is the bad situation. When I will speak English, then I saw this video. Then I will say that there is not. Okay, everybody, please pray for me.